So if a customer says that he will procure the material on his own and he just wants us to provide the labor, first of all we should ask the customer, sir, why do you want to buy material on your own? Because if we buy the material will directly be delivered at your home. When you go and buy the material from a shop, you have to carry, like you have to bear all the transportation charges and all those things. Secondly, if you think that you can get it at a cheaper price than us, then you are mistaken, because you will be buying it in small quantity just for your house. We have like multiple projects starting in a single day, so we are buying it in bulk from Asian Paints directly. And secondly, we have like reduced the middleman, so there is no vendor, there is no shopkeeper, nothing. Asian Paints is directly providing us the material, so we are getting it at a cheaper price, and that same benefit is transferred to you also in that quotation. And if you buy the material also, there is no way that you can buy it in cheaper price, because there will be middleman, there will be shopkeeper and all those things. Secondly, you will have to like take the hassle of the transportation and all those things. That shopkeeper might provide you inferior quality material, because the material will be open. Once you have to prepare that color, you have to open the seal. He might provide you the material which is like there from the last, like is about to expire. So we won't be able to provide you any service warranty on that thing. Secondly, we cannot provide you only labor, because this cost which I have given you, this includes material plus labor. Because as soon as I like confirm your like booking, you will do the first 50% payment. As soon as you do the first 50% payment, material system will directly send an order to Asian Paints. So Asian Paints will receive the like material order, and that material will be directly delivered at your home. So Urban Club is not going to shopkeeper and buying the material. Your order will directly go to Asian Paints, and Asian Paints will be directly delivering the material at your home. So there is no chance of mixing. You will get it at the best price, where that we have like quoted you already. Secondly, you need not worry about the transportation and all those things. And when you buy the material, we are not sure like whether you have bought the genuine material, whether it is like good quality material. So we are unable to provide you the service warranty in that thing, which we give you a 1 year service warranty. Because our painters would do like the best job possible, but if the material is of inferior quality, you will like the finish, you will suffer in the finishing, it won't last as long as it should last. So there is no way that we can give you only labor like we do with Urban Labs. Takes the material, the contact with material, labor, everything. Secondly, there is no benefit also if you like go and buy the material outside and we provide you labor, because you can't buy it at a cheaper price than us, because there are many middlemen involved. You might get an inferior material also, and as we buy it in bulk quantity, we get it at cheaper price. You can't get a material cheaper than that, so it won't be possible for us to give you separate price for labor and material, because there is no such thing.